Hi, I'm Dr. Gawel from Indian Trail Animal Hospital, and I'm going to help you learn a little bit more about diagnostic imaging in your dog. Diagnostic imaging plays a very vital and important role in helping us diagnose illness and injuries in your dog. Just like in human medicine, there is a wide variety of diagnostic imaging available to us. We have x-rays or radiographs, ultrasound, echocardiogram, as well as other more advanced techniques like CT scans and MRI. So what exactly do each one of these tools do to help us diagnose certain problems? Well, for our radiographs, we're able to take pictures of the chest, the abdomen, as well as the extremities. And we're going to use this tool to look for things like fractures, dislocations, checking for changes in abnormal anatomy, changes in size of organs, fluid, or anything else that looks out of place on the inside. The ultrasound machine gives a very specific view of certain organ systems. For example, with an echocardiogram, we're going to be placing that ultrasound probe on the chest to look at the valves, the heart walls, the vessels surrounding the heart, and any changes to how that normal heart functions. Similar to an echocardiogram, the ultrasound of the abdomen is going to look at that architecture, and that probe is going to go around and scan that abdomen and look inside each organ. Are there masses? Are there changes inside there that indicate a particular disease or process? We can check for thickness of bowels, lymph node enlargement, changes to glands, as well as anything else abnormal like fluid inside the abdomen. Some of the more advanced techniques like CT scans and MRIs are going to get those areas inside the body that we can't see with our typical radiographs or ultrasound. So if there's an injury to the spine or an injury to the head, those areas are going to be viewed best with a CT scan and or MRI. At Indian Trail Animal Hospital, we have the ability to perform radiographs inside our office, as well as set up specific appointments for ultrasound and echocardiograms. You'll want to work with your veterinarian to schedule appointments for such things as CT scans and MRIs. For the most part, when performing radiographs or ultrasound in our office, your pet will not require sedation for this procedure. If your pet seems anxious or nervous during the procedure, we do offer pre-visit pharmaceuticals to kind of make things go a little bit smoother. There are instances where when we're performing particular techniques or particular positions for radiographs, for example, we will recommend sedation for those particular procedures. The more advanced techniques such as CT scans and MRIs will require full sedation and or general anesthesia to complete these particular procedures. If you're concerned or have questions about which particular diagnostic tool is the next best step for your pet, give us a call at Indian Trail Animal Hospital and your veterinarian will be happy to discuss them with you today. Thank you.